The impact of the fashion industry on the environment cannot be ignored. As one of the most polluting industries in the world, it is important for fashion brands to take steps to help reduce their environmental footprint. Many fashion brands around the world have embraced this challenge. They are working on initiatives to create sustainable, recyclable clothing and materials. Zen Unison is one of these pioneers. They are taking innovative steps to reduce the spread of pollution and minimize the production of CO2 emissions. Zen Unison has developed a way to utilize waste skins from animals, like ostriches, that are traditionally discarded or burned. The burning of these skins causes the emission of harmful pollutants and an increase in CO2 production, so Zen Unison's method prevents this. Instead of discarding or burning these skins, they are transformed into high-quality leather for use in fashion products. This is just one example of how fashion can be used to help preserve nature and make a positive impact on the environment. Zen Unison. Made by artists from around the globe.